Yo. He's back again. Like I said, I know y'all watched 3. I know y'all watched it, okay? Your car is going to get pulled. There's niggas watching it right now like this nigga ain't got the nerves or the audacity to pull my car. Nigga, your car will get pulled. I'm telling you, nigga. Y'all sit back cool right now. We gonna get your ass, nigga. We gonna get your ass.
We're pulling cars.
You know what I'm saying? First, we got 2 roasters in here today. The first 2 roasters we have. Introduce yourself. It's Buddy Walton.
Ryan Buddy Walton, a.k.a. Good Shit.
Just a couple questions for you real quick, Buddy Walton. How do you feel about the roast today of just who we gonna roast?
Oh man, this is very phenomenal, man. This fool needs
It's a good day in Capping.
This fool needs to know that love don't love nobody. It takes a fool to learn that. But oh yeah, it's on. He roasted.
And Michael Garvey, how you doing today, sir?
I'm good.
How you feel loosed up? You ready to roast somebody today?
I'm ready to tear somebody's ass up.
Terry, I'm a new ass.
Ooh, no homo.
You gotta put that in there. No homo.
This the guy
Okay. All right.
In the flesh.
Now, I know everybody right now watching like, goddamn, come on, Q, who is it?
Buddy
Or
here.
some of y'all sitting there too, like, some of y'all sitting there right now. Some of y'all sitting there right now, like, damn, I hope this nigga ain't about to say my name. Nigga, I didn't want
You already know he's sitting there looking at the computer right now, cheesing with his tongue out.
Can I please say the name?
Go ahead.
The name is going to be
James Porter Parrott.
JP.
He pisses on his nuts.
First roaster.
He got less playing time than a white guy.
First roaster of the day, Ryan Walton.
Yeah, let's go, JP, man. I love you to death, bro. But for one, that picture ain't hot right now. I'm looking at it right now as we speak. You, JP, you not a gangster. And one, for 2, hey. Hold on.
Why is that shit capitalized like it's in a sentence?
Can we get a quick flash real quick? Quick flash of that real quick. Why you look so serious, nigga? You never mad.
And you in somebody's basement.
Never mad.
He got them boxes in the back.
JP once told me.
He just moved in. Look at them tall ass stairs.
JP once told me. He said, man, I don't know how I'm gonna get through this shit, man. Motherfuckers bothering me, man. They keep on pressuring me, man. Talking about my titties and shit, man. Talking about I need to lose weight. Talking about my fingers stink. I told him, bruh, go ahead, man. Let that shit roll, bro. He said, man, nah, man. I need somebody to talk to, man. I gotta talk to Quincy. I was like, why you gotta talk to Quincy for? He said, man, Quincy told me he got the goods, I got the guts. Come holler at him. I told him, no. You can't be like that, JP. JP, wipe your ass first. Put God first. You'll be alright, bro. But till then, don't smell like that no more. That shit's unacceptable. Your hat look like it's spelled Yukon backwards.
It's all lowercase. It look like it says noon.
Your shirt look like somebody been pulling your ass around like this.
Somebody's sports bra he got on.
Hey, you see that nigga beater in it though? You see that nigga beater in the picture?
But that's a sports bra. He got that from Mr. McKee's personal collection.
Oh my God.
He got mustache. He look like he peeled that off a Pringles can and just slapped it on his lip.
That's a 4-year-old Under Armour. That nigga don't play ball no more.
He played quarterback with Lindsey Wilson. They ain't even got a football team.
He didn't even play quarterback. He told me he played wing.
Oh my God. Hey, nah, all right, hold on. You already know though. All jokes aside, JP, I know you watching this, nigga. I know you gonna be mad, nigga. But nigga, when you told me you was trying out for quarterback, nigga, it was hysterical. But this nigga told me he had to practice throwing the football off one knee, and he said he did it 60 yards. Nigga, in what dream can you ever throw a 60-yard pass off one knee,
Put
nigga?
that back over here real quick. Boy, you lying just like your damn daddy.
Oh shit. Talking about that nigga Leonard.
You better stop that, boy.
Talking about that nigga Leonard.
No, I'm not talking about Leonard. I love you. I love you. Hey, this about JP. We gonna make this
Oh, yeah.
about JP.
All right, let's start with JP Starburys. Them motherfuckers lace like footballs. Ooh, they like orange, green, black. The colors ain't even out yet. JP got them.
Get it.
Like, how you gonna have fake Starburys and they $15?
Get it.
He rocked the Payco shorts with the zipper at the bottom and connect them shorts and pants.
His pants feel like a doodle stain.
Look like a backwards finger. Nasty ass.
Did I get you?
His teeth look like he drink coffee all day. This got hella shit and stains on him. They backwards.
Hey, I got a song for you, JP. While I'm brushing my teeth in between, trying to get rid of that coffee bean. Like that, don't you? Boy, platinum over here. Boy, platinum. Right, but before, I know you, I can't see you, but pretty soon you're going to be seeing me. I just want you one time, you know, to close your mouth and lick your lips. You're going to be all right. You're going to be all right.
Hey, tell me why.
Nigga look like he got mad with straight gorilla on him. Gorilla. Gorilla. The nigga went straight gorilla.
Hey, and if you see this man walking down the street and you weigh about 100 pounds, you white and you underage, run. It's your ass. Like, don't fight it. JP kind of strong, but he big. He just lay on you.
That nigga like little boys.
Boy. Hey, tell me why we was at the tattoo shop. I seen JP in there talking about he need to get a sleeve that night.
You trying to kill yourself, boy? You got high blood pressure already? That kind of
This
shit.
motherfucker wanted to get a crucifix. He wanted to get a Care Bear with beer on the belly. He wanted to get a zodiac symbol for cancer because he had cancer.
Not a Care Bear.
Man, this motherfucker ill. Like he had a basketball shirt on with no undershirt from 05. Like he's still hooping tournaments all the time.
You better cut that shit out. We know
Man.
you're diabetic.
And stop wearing them regular bell bottoms, bro. I'm trying to cover up them Starbursts.
Your diabetical ass.
You wearing the McDonald's no slip shoes.
Hey, remember that Coogee? Hey, remember that Coogee shirt that nigga had on when they wouldn't let the nigga in the club?
My mother told me it said koozie.
That nigga.
It said corny in cursive. Look like he had no undershirt. He was trying to make chest hairs like Mr. Scholler.
Ain't gonna look like the knot on a fried pork chop, nigga.
He still be wearing that knee brace. Still got mud on him from high school. Damn. He just dipped his knee in a puddle like I play.
You still playing, JP?
Yeah. JP in his 7th year as a senior.
Oh.
No medical red shirt.
How you doing?
He played 2 years as a water boy.
Hey, JP. A lot of people don't know this, but me and you do. And a couple other people.
Hair look like Velcro.
You never forget this. True story. I'm driving down my street and I see you walking with your hood up, nigga. And I stop at the top of the street, nigga. And I turn my lights off on my car, nigga. And I gunned that motherfucker. Nigga. You ran back and forth across the street, nigga, like hollering, nigga. You ran up behind the pole, nigga. I ran up on the sidewalk and everything, nigga. I'll never forget that, nigga. I know you watching this right now, nigga, hollering. But you know what I'm saying? Just so everybody know, once again, you know what I'm saying? No hard feelings. JP, we do love you like a play, cuz, you know what I'm saying? Keep that in mind. Your car just got pulled, man. I'm sorry to say that, man. It ain't over yet. It ain't over yet. But just let you know, no hard feelings, baby.
It's a slow, painful death.
Shape it up.
Hey, you need to get that shit lined up, cuz. Look like that fat lady from Friday the Next. Take him down.
What was her name? Miss Wallback?
Miss Wallback?
He probably got a hairy back, nasty motherfucker. He can't even reach his back. He fat.
Said that nigga got...
JP got stretch marks and he only got bigger.
Said that nigga got acid burn around his nipples.
They said underneath that nigga titties smell like chili shit.
Nah, I tell you why JP teeth look like a half-plate chess game. They just everywhere.
Said your mouth look like the Magnolia Projects, boy, all fucked up and shit. Like
a bomb on that motherfucker like he been a trailer gate. Like fucking shit chipped and shit. Look like he breathed at you. You be like, oh,
James, man. Only reason why we doing this though, real talk, you know, it's
you need help.
And not only do you need help, but I remember back in the day, you know, when we was little kids, and you were more fortunate than some of us. I remember, man.
You had 2 dads.
No, yeah, 3 actually. I'm just playing. I got 3 daddies, nigga. But I remember, you know, I was down, and I was, you know, we just lost and shit. You know, my mom wasn't at the game. I wanted some nachos. Your fat ass wasn't sharing with me. You fat sloppy eating Joe motherfucker.
Tell me what.
Sloppy Joe eating motherfucker.
Hey, we went to the club.
I love you though.
He had that Coogee shirt on. He had that Coogee shirt on, man. Tell me why he gonna stand at the club for 3 hours hanging out with bums. Hanging out with bums. He said, you know what I said? He said, remember them games we used to lose and I didn't get in? So we stand around capping in the rain. That's what I did.
They was smoking roll up you.
Like motherfuckers was giving him money before they gave the homeless people money. Like they said, here, cuz you need some new shoes. Like,
hey, says your K Swiss look like capital U's. Curve at the front, nigga. Santa's a little helper.
The bottom of the Starburys look leather. The bottom of the Starburys look leather, like the little kids' shoes.
Oh, damn, he got leather.
He got Starburys with the Velcro strap.
Nigga, you going to jail for attempted leather. We love you, though, man.
All right, JP. Just to go on and wrap this up, JP, you know what I'm saying? We love you. Keep God first in your life. No hard feelings, you know what I'm saying? We just having fun, baby. You know what I'm saying? I didn't mean to do it to you, man. Love you, though.